So we got together with some other resellers the other day.
Simply brilliant.
This is what we really look like, and Nate's dad was there too, but for some reason he wasn't in the group shot.
Look who it is.
Nate, come on, bring it in.
Huh, buddy? Doing all right?
Oh, yeah.
Good meeting you.
Yeah,
Fine.
good meeting you too, finally.
Hello.
We were running late, and they already started, so I had to hurry and get a number.
Sandwich maker. All right, three going for $2.50. Okay, it's insulated, so that's one of them you can shake this church sale and not even burn yourself. All right, here we go. Big platter there, all insulated and everything, ready to roll. $2.50, 2.5, but 2.5, but 2.5, 2.5, 5, get 2.50 and a 5, 2.5, take 3, now 3, 3, you go 3, 4, now 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 6, I got 5 here, 6, you might as well go again. What the heck? 5 and 6, last call. Sold at $5.13.
Figured 10 and go. 10, Dick, you could do some custom work for some of those old widows in town. 10, $10, we'll get 5, $5, 5, $5, 5, 5, 2.5, 2.50, boys. Tell you what, you're going to get a quartered one. Whoop, he give me 2.5 and now 5. 2.50, better go 5, 5, 2.5, so 2.5, Scott, you're way again on 34. Thank you, sir.
All the clear glass, folks, all the clear glass. 250, we're all in out. 250, 2.5, all but now, $1. One money gonna buy, one money gonna buy, $1, one money gonna buy, $1 bill for it. One money gonna buy, okay, give me $1 for all that now. 2, 3, 2, 3, and now 3, 2, 3, 2, here and 2, 3, sold them. $2 on 13.
You got some Tupperware, you got some Rubbermaid.
Yep.
You know.
Tupperware by the box. For $1. There goes the dollar bill on a TT, $2 bill on number, your number, ma'am, is 65.
Yay!
65, thank you.
It's $1.
Go get
Salt,
it.
pepper shaker.
Right.
Salt, pepper shaker.
Where's your pile?
In there. Look at that.
Is that your pile?
Yeah, I got 3 deep fryers and a meat processor for $1. 3 deep fryers. I was like, man, I haven't had a little deep fryer for inside the house forever. Now I got 3 of them.
Ice cream maker and all. 2.5, but give me $1. One money, get $1. Did you say yes?
Yep.
One money, get $1. Ice cream maker and all, you guys. 1 month, right in season.
I'm Flippin Mike, and this was like Amber.
Our number one.
Where's your pile, Nate?
Yeah, but
I'm gonna make Marcy and Amber
Dobby
Mike an
bowl,
offer after this.
and we got a sugar and creamer in there. Everything going for $2.50. 2.5.
No, not yet.
I'll believe it. I'll give me $1 then.
There are some tools I might buy, though.
Rebecca, one money, get
Not on the wagon they're currently that's a cool crop.
And
I know I've seen them. They look really
just happened to find
That's
some more salt and pepper.
Hawkeye Mike, in case you didn't know.
Not mad.
No,
Doesn't matter. We got pictures. Yep.
Nate was in here for about an hour. I could hear him crying.
That's why I
figured I'd mention it.
Number 65, right behind you.
You want it?
Shot glass, yes. There's 5 of them. One's just plain, but these 4
Okay. They got a little printing on them. Medicine glasses. Here we go. $1 for them. One money to get them on $2.
Have all these trays.
Trays, big ones, small ones, colored ones, everything. Pig here with a litter. Sal, well, she had a small litter. She only had 3 pigs.
That's hot.
All right, here we go. Well, 12 is what you want. And give me $2.50 on that pig there. 2.5, you never see one like that. $1 bill here. One money to get a bar on my 2, I'm right here, 1, 2. A 2, 3, you go to you 3, 4. And now 4, 3, 4, 3, you're in a 3, 4, 3, and 4. Sold them $3 on, forgot it. 63.
Nate bought stuff too. And then we all got together at our house and had some hot dogs and burgers and solved all the world's problems, discussed important issues and topics of the day, and got intelligent. Got my coffee. Trying to film this After spending a weekend, are you there? Spending the weekend with a bunch of resellers, including Nateypie. So, I'm tired. Nateypie wore me out. But yesterday, we went to an auction in northern Illinois. Warren was the name of the town. And it was a short auction. We spent $36 was all. And we got a car full, and this is going to be fun for me because I don't even know what we got. Just wait.
Vintage popcorn maker. It's Presto.
Is it actually brand new?
Yeah.
That is cool.
Yeah.
I don't think I've ever seen one quite like that.
I've never seen one like this. Oh,
And that was actually free.
it was. Yeah, nobody wanted it.
And she scratched my car.
You're worried about that now? I was driving through trees yesterday to park. This is, Selena. I got that for $1. This is from Mike and Amber.
Oh, your skull.
Yeah.
Let's see it. That is cool.
And then 2 fans, but these are for us. Because it's been so hot. So we have 2 of those. So this set got sold before we even got there. And that was Mike. Thank you, Mike. He had bid on it. He got it for $20 and he offered it to me. So we bought it from him. There's 2 boxes. I think the other box is up there.
And what is that?
This is vintage Fire King. And it's sunflowers, which I've never seen this pattern before.
I never have either. I love Fire King.
So do I. It's nice quality. It's usually pretty.
So now we don't even have to go to auctions. We just let Mike buy stuff for us.
Nice.
This flat is mine. This is 2 different buys actually. The tool shop clock and the light, that was $1.
Did you help?
Nope. And then I got this this flat of license plates, mostly Illinois. I saw a New Hampshire and right on top there. I forgot what I paid for that, but it was cheap. It was $4 or less, and I've never sold license plates before, but I know there's a market.
I don't even know. It's brand new. It's never been used.
That's what it looks like.
It's rival.
Indoor, or if it's just a tabletop one. But
Yeah. This came with something that I wanted. I don't remember what it was. He didn't see me bidding, and they're like, "Oh, throw in something else." I'm like, "Oh, that was what I wanted." So I ended up with 2 of these. There's 2 of them, and they both look like they're brand new.
First lot I bought just to get warmed up. There's some shot glasses in here, and I normally don't buy shot glasses, but these are kind of cute little cartoony ones. And it was $1 for the lot.
Before I've had all my coffee. This is a shoe shine stuff. I never heard of that.
I got other
shoes.
shoe stuff that could probably lot up with it.
This is what I saw, and I'm like, oh, I'll take that.
Because it's probably discontinued and
I'm guessing, yeah.
and probably sellable.
Yeah, so I mean, this looks like this maybe, nope, that's been opened. But a lot of times, Wyman stuff will be discontinued. And it'll be worth something, so it's worth looking up.
Oh, here's one of your Fire King lids. That was another thing. There was 2 lids in with that Fire King stuff.
Yeah.
I didn't see you buy those.
The low balls with the caddy. They just got the fade on them. I think these were maybe $3 for this set.
Is there a name on them or anything?
No, but it was this that I wanted. It's ceramic. It's a lot lighter than I thought it was gonna be. It was $1.
It's got a little damage.
It does, and I don't know. I don't think that's damage. I think that's just goofy
Scratch?
paint or scratch. That might be a scratch.
Derpy cat.
That's cute. These I just thought were really pretty, and these were $1. I don't know. I didn't see a name on them. This little piggy is Lefton. She got 3 little piglets. And I thought it was adorbs. But I know there's a lot of people that collect pig stuff. Pig memorabilia. This is just old curling irons. It looks like there's some still in the brand new in the
crimper.
package. I know.
Are you gonna crimp your hair for me?
Oh yes, definitely. Vidal Sassoon. So I grabbed this. Oops. I saw the crimper and I saw this, and I'm like, well, it's got to be worth more than $1 for these. It was between $1 and $3, but it was for the whole box. I wanted the owls. They're ceramic, made in Japan. They're bookends. And they also came with the praying hands. And these are heavy. So there's some kind... High five. There's some kind of metal, but I don't know what.
I've never seen it where it came with actually books in between.
I know. That's very good marketing. Here's the rest of that Fire King. There's the 1, 2, 3, 4 set. And it's got the lids. So these are super cute. Not just cute, super cute.
Are they adorbs?
They are completely
I've seen those.
adorbs. Aren't they adorable?
At one point, I had remembered the name of those.
Eden.
Oh, yeah. Eden.
So they're brand new. Look at they were 2 for $1.
Velvet.
Yes. Like you screwed me.
I'll keep
up.
guessing.
I don't remember.
I kind of like the prairie chicken.
There should have been. There's 2 in here. 2. Yep.
I moved some stuff around.
The other one. It's very 60s, 70s.
I know.
Look, it's got paneling
It's
on there.
paneling.
The paneling's worth $1. I paid $1 a piece for these. Actually, I may have paid. No, I paid $1 for all the rest of it. I don't know what this is. I think I've seen this before.
I think that's a paint by number.
Here's the 3 set of Black Panthers.
Wakanda forever.
How cute.
Is that dinner for 13?
Yep. I love the frame. The frame is, yeah, it's like plastic.
I thought it was glass.
Oh no, it's plastic. It's like a film. I think is that brass?
It looks like brass and it's got
I know,
a
the
light.
little lights. Or where you a section where you can put a light. So that came with this. It's just got some damage to it.
10 Commandments.
And this was $1, I think.
It was cheap. Nobody wanted it. Got our little fuzzy toilet.
Who doesn't want a fuzzy toilet? You never had it so good.
I think that's real fur.
Oh, it feels like it, yeah. It's very kitschy. Oh, that fell off.
That just pops out.
Okay.
That's I don't know if this is for a pen or something, but
Oh, yeah.
you put mail or something in the springs.
Yeah. They have fur. They have fur on them too. They had fur. They got mange now.
Yeah, they're looking a little
Little
sickly.
mangy.
What's the name on the sticker? Can you-
Poodles. I couldn't read it.
Oh, it's an Esco.
Is that okay? And then little piggies.
You gotta show the coolest part of the pig.
Oh yeah.
The little
The
trough. The corn.
These are just pig pictures. They're canvas.
I kind of like them though.
Yeah, they're kind of cute. They'd be cute in the kitchen. Our new home. Aw. It's a piggy bank.
Oh, it's for saving for your new home.
Oh, cute.
Hello.
She's got fancy eyes.
I kind of like him too.
And then we got the mama pig with the babies.
Joseph Originals.
They're ceramic.
And adorable.
They are. The cute little, they got big eyes, which is really popular right now.
Oh, that one's sexy.
A sexy pig.
Very provocative.
Provocative pork. a good name for a pork company.
Oh, I thought that was going to be my new YouTube channel. You got your Yankee Candle flat inside, but
Yeah.
that was just for us anyway.
Yeah.
Not too bad, 36 bucks. We're happy. And it was a short day, and we got to hang out with our reseller friends, Mike and Amber, and Joe, and someone known as Nateypie. And of course, Hawkeye Mike was there. It's been a great weekend. We're both tired, in case you can't tell. Remember to keep flossing, and thanks, America. All right, thanks, everyone. Bye-bye. So I was like, can we even see that? I'll wipe the lens quick. They're fancy pigs.
They're fancy pigs.
Like me. We gotta hurry up and empty out the car because our son needs it for work.
Yeah.
That's why we're out here before we're even awake. It's a sad, sad story. I need a drink of coffee. Hold on.